Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another reporting tip for you. In this project, I've already completed it with a number of features, and I've already included their tolerances and any characteristic numbers. Next, I'm going to move on to my report, which I've already pre-populated. And you'll see in my drawing here, I have a number of features with balloon numbers next to them, and on subsequent pages, I have their associating snapshots with a report table. And I want to customize this report table to include only the balloon numbers without any of this extra info. So I could select the report table, right mouse, edit table. And that will open up a new window. And from here, I could choose from any pre-existing templates. I could edit any font sizes as necessary. I could even save my own templates for later. But let me go ahead and adjust this table to include the info I want. For starters, let me include the characteristic numbers. In these columns right here, where I see object name, control, nominal, and so forth, let me go ahead and right mouse on that. And I could include the characteristic number. And you'll see that the table updated. I want to go ahead and have that number at the beginning of this table. And maybe, because my snapshot already includes this info, let me go ahead and remove the object name and the control, so that way it only shows the nominal measured values. Next, I do have a lot of header info for this report table. And I could go ahead and right mouse on these and uncheck some of the things I don't need to see. And let's say I like this. I have 2 more pages that I'd like to follow that same template. So let me go back and edit that table, save it as a simplified template, and let me return to the other pages. I'll select that table, right mouse, edit table, and I'll choose Simplify Template. Let me repeat that for the last page, but instead of doing right mouse edit table, I could also do right mouse set contents using the simplified template. So those are just examples of how I could customize my report tables in my report. Thank you for watching.